In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from your Airtable base to Excel. This guide will help you seamlessly transfer your data from Airtable, providing you with more flexibility to manipulate and analyze it further in Excel. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First, you'll need to open your Airtable base. This is the collection of records and fields containing the information you wish to export. Once you log into your Airtable account, navigate to the specific base that holds your invaluable data. Once you've reached your base, your next step is to select the desired view. In Airtable, views help you filter and sort your data so you can focus precisely on the information you need. For many, the grid view is a common choice due to its straightforward spreadsheet-like format. Choosing the right view is essential because it determines which records and fields will be included in your export. Now that your data is ready to go, you're ready to download it as a CSV file. In Airtable, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the Options menu, located right next to the view name. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you should see an option labeled Download CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a universal file format supported by many data applications, making it perfect for transferring your data. Selecting this option will prompt Airtable to convert your current view into a CSV file and then download it to your computer. Once the download is complete, the next step is to open this file in Excel. Navigate to where your computer saves downloads. This is often your downloads folder unless you've specified another location. Find the file with a .csv extension corresponding to your recent download. Simply double-click this file. Your system will automatically open it with Excel, assuming you have it installed. If for any reason Excel isn't your default program for opening CSV files, you can right-click and choose Open With, then select Excel from your list of applications. And there you have it. Your Airtable data is now open in Excel, ready for deeper analysis or whatever project you have in mind. While those are the core steps to get your data from Airtable into Excel, a few additional tips can enhance your workflow. If you plan to regularly transfer data between these programs, consider establishing a more systematic process, perhaps by saving the export settings in Airtable for quick access. Additionally, getting familiar with Excel's powerful tools such as pivot tables, graphs, and formulas can transform your raw CSV data into insightful reports and visualizations. Armed with these steps and tips, you've got the tools you need to make your data work harder for you. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.